Hey, Seth Johnson here, and welcome back. This is the fourth and final step here inside the Copy My Crypto system. Now, this is a big video. I'm going to be covering a lot, but it's necessary to follow through with exactly what I'm going to show you in order to have your Copy My Crypto system working correctly for you. Okay, so again, this is going to be a big video, but you'll be able to pause it and go back and forth to make sure everything is set up right. Just follow along, rewatch it. Okay, again, bookmark this page if you haven't already, because this whole page is everything you're going to need to build your successful Bitcoin business. Now, before we get into the Powered Lead system, before we log in and start adding the funnels and changing out the affiliate links, if you haven't already joined up with Powered Lead system, then I highly suggest that you go back and watch the video in step number 3, where I explain to you what the marketing tool is, why you need it, and better yet, how you're going to earn 7 times your income. Okay, you're gonna earn a ton of money using just the Powered Lead system itself. And if that doesn't make sense to you, go back and watch the step number 3 video, and I explain in detail why that is. So if you're ready to log in, if you've already registered with Powered Leads, you're ready to log in and add the funnel and change it out and make it your own, let's go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead and log into your Powered Lead system back office. All right, so now before we go any further here with the Powered Lead system and get everything set up, go ahead and open up a notepad or a text edit pad, okay? And I want you to copy exactly what I have written right here on my screen. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it, okay? It'll be step 1 button USI Tech, step 2 button Coinbase, and step 3 button PLS. All right, so pause the video and copy that right now. Okay, so now I'm logged inside of one of my test accounts with the Powered Lead system. We need to go ahead and get the share code for the funnel that you're going to be downloading, okay? Now you're going to find the share code right below this video that you're watching right now. So get that share code and copy it, and then come back over here to Powered Lead system. Then you're going to go up to the top, come over to websites, click there, come all the way down to My Sharing Codes, click on that. And then you're going to enter that share code in this box. All right, it should be 720509-copymycrypto1. Go ahead and enter that in the box. And once you've done that, click on submit. And what that does is that adds the funnel into your Powered Lead system. Now we still have to change out some affiliate links and do some other stuff, but now we have something to work with, okay? So let's go back to the Getting Started tab. And now what we need to do is buy a domain name. Now, you're running an online business, okay? You have to have a presence, and having a domain name is going to be your little piece of the internet real estate. All right, so you might already have one. If you do, I'm going to show you how to transfer it over to point towards Powered Lead system. But if you don't have one, no worries. I'm going to show you how you can buy one here inside of the Powered Lead system, okay? So we'll come back up to the top, go over to websites. Then you're going to come to buy a domain over here on the right hand side. Click on that. And you can see you can get a unique domain name for $12.97 per year and receive the following. You can read all of this right here. But I'm going to recommend, if you're brand new, just to go ahead and buy a domain here inside the Powered Lead system. All right, you don't have to worry about pointing it back over. They take care of all that for you. So what kind of domain name should you get? It's really completely up to you. I would recommend, if you can, get your first name, last name.com. If that's already taken, just use a variable of it. So I'll just go ahead and show you what it's going to look like. So you'll type it in, whatever you want, and then you'll check and see if that domain's available. You click on the green button. And that's going to bring you over to this page. If it's available, it's going to let you go ahead and check out right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. And then once you do that, it's going to be set up and ready to go for you. All right. So if you need to pause this video again at any time, just pause it. So let's say you already have a domain you want to transfer it over. We come back up to websites. Then you'll come over to the right where it says transfer domains. And right below this did you transfer in, right here in the red, you'll click on this little link right here that says click here for instructions. Go ahead and click on that. And here's going to be the steps that you need to take to transfer and have that domain pointing back to Powered Lead system. Let's say you already have it sitting in GoDaddy or Namecheap. This is what you're going to do to get it to point to Powered Lead system. There's also an instructional video that explains everything in detail, okay? So go ahead and watch that and get your domain pointed back to, or pointed over to Powered Lead system. But again, I'm going to recommend for 90% of you just to go ahead and buy a domain here inside a Powered Lead system. All right. So that taken care of, let's go back to the Getting Started tab. Always go back to the Getting Started tab. This is the best way, the easiest way to work through this. Now back over here at the Getting Started tab, now what we need to do is create a subdomain name for our Powered Lead System checkout page. Okay, this is going to be the link we're going to put in your button underneath your video number 3. So when they click on it, you're going to get the affiliate commissions when they go ahead and purchase. All right, I hope that makes sense. So that's why I had you with the notepad enter step 1, step 2, step 3. So we're going to get these links and then we're going to enter them here so we'll have them. Okay. So getting a subdomain name, very simple to do. You come up to the top, come to websites, click on that, come all the way over to the right where it says manage subdomains. Click there, come down to the bottom. Again, there's these instructional videos if you ever get stuck. Come down to the bottom, and remember, this is going to be the subdomain we're going to use for the Powered Lead System checkout page. All right, so just go ahead and type in PLS checkout. Okay, use that as your subdomain. Once you've done that, click on create. All right, that's going to bring you to this page. It's going to say to assign your subdomain, whatever it is, .com or .net, whatever it is. Click here to use an existing web page from our library of pages. Yes, okay, this is where we want to click, this first link. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring us over to this page right here. Now, make sure you have the right subdomain set up, okay? The one we just created. So it's going to be the PLS checkout dot whatever your domain name is. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything with step number 2. So let's scroll all the way down and find the page that we want this domain, the subdomain pointed to. All right, it's going to be all the way down here, closer towards the bottom. Now, you need to pay very close attention to make sure you do exactly what I'm doing, okay? You're going to be looking for the PLS checkout page 1, okay? It's going to say PLS checkout page 1, name and email. All right, it's going to be this white PLS checkout page right here. Okay, if you use one of these other ones, it's not going to work. So make sure you find this PLS checkout page number 1. Go ahead and click on the radio there. And then you're going to scroll back up to the top and simply click on Save My Choice. Now what you want to do now is you want to go ahead and click this link so we can test it to make sure it goes to the right PLS checkout page. All right, so let's go ahead and test it right there. All right, again, this is going to be the link inside the button in your step 3 on your Copy My Crypto System page. All right, it's going to have your subdomain and domain up here. Okay, so what we want to do right now is we want to take this link, go ahead and copy that whole link right there, right click copy, go back to the notepad, and we're going to enter it right here in step number 3. Okay, so we got our affiliate link for PLS. Now we need to go and get our affiliate links for the other companies as well. Okay, so before we do that, there's one more thing that we need to do. Okay, come back over to the Getting Started tab. Come down to Companies You Promote, click there. And on the right hand side, you can see a ton of different companies you can promote. That's the beauty with the Powered Lead System. You can make all of these funnels for pretty much any company, any MLM company, network marketing company. They're already pre-made for you. But what we're looking for right now for the companies that you can promote is we're looking for the Powered Lead System. Okay, just scroll down to the Powered Lead System. Keep going. We're going to get there eventually. All right, Powered Lead System. Okay, there's a bunch of different links that you can choose right here. Just make sure you choose this top one that says Powered Lead System with the first letter of each word capitalized, okay? Don't choose one of these other ones. Choose this one that says Powered Lead System. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that, okay? So once that's clicked, you're going to come down to the bottom and click on Click Here to Save. All right. Now all you need to do is just right click and paste the link, the subdomain link that you just created, PLS checkout page there. All right, so the subdomain you just created, the one that I had you copy and put in your notepad, paste it right here under your business URL. After you've done that, click here to save, and that's going to populate right here. Okay. So now we're good to go. Let's go ahead and get our affiliate links for USI Tech and for Coinbase and enter them into the notepad for the time being. All right, to get the affiliate link for USI Tech, first, of course, you need to log into your USI Tech account. And then you're going to scroll down here to the bottom where it says advertisement link. This isn't your affiliate link. This isn't what you need right here, but you do need to click on that. And that's going to bring you over to this page. Make sure up at the top where it says independent promoter that it has your username, okay? Make sure it says whatever your username is that you signed up with USI Tech with, that it has it there. If it does, click on the Getting Started Now tab right here. And that's going to bring you over to the enrollment page, okay? This is going to be for step number 1. This is going to be your button link for step number 1. So when they click on it, they're going to come to your enrollment page. Make sure it has your sponsor name, actually your username right here. All right, so the URL for this is going to be your affiliate link, the link that's up here in the browser. Go ahead and copy that. And now let's go back to the notepad. And we're going to enter that under step number 1. Going to right click and paste. And now we're good to go. Now we need to get the Coinbase affiliate link. All right, so let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so whenever you log into Coinbase to get your referral link, all you have to do is go scroll up to the top right, go under your name, click that, and then come down to invite friends. Click on invite friends. And then right below the Gmail share and tweet tab, there's going to be a URL. This is going to be your referral link. So go ahead and copy all of that. Let's right click and copy it. And go back over to our notepad. And we're going to put that for step 2 button. That's going to be your referral link for step number 2. Okay, so we have our step number 1 referral link. We have our step number 2 referral link and our step number 3. Okay, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and jump back into Power Lead System. Okay, now we need to enter your referral links, your affiliate links into the Copy My Crypto system. All right, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Always start from the Getting Started tab. It's just the easiest way to navigate through here. So we'll come over here to websites, click on that. Then you're going to come down to My Web Pages. All right. Once you click on My Web Pages, that's going to show you the shared pages that you just uploaded to your Power Lead System. All right. So we got the Copy My Crypto LP1, which is the capture page, and then we have the Copy My Crypto System setup page. This is the setup page is a page that's going to have the buttons on it where you're going to be changing out the affiliate links with your affiliate links. All right. Now, in order to edit that page, we need to make a copy of it. All right. So over here on the right-hand side, you're going to click on Copy. And that's going to bring you over to this page. Now, this might look overwhelming, but there's only a couple of things that you're going to need to do. Now, here in step 1, where it says title of this web page to show here in this admin, I'm going to recommend you change the copy right here where it says copy. Just change this to your first name, okay? Change that to your first name just so you can find it, all right? Now, scrolling on down, you really don't have to do anything else on this page. Let me just check out and make sure, because this is not the first page in the funnel. This, again, is a page they're directed to after they opt in. So now we need to go and edit this page, all right? So, again, don't worry about any of this other stuff right now. Let's just scroll on down. Don't worry about the autoresponder. Okay. So let's go to Save Changes to Web Pages, and then that's going to bring us over to where we can start editing. All right, you can change the background on this page if you want, but I'm going to recommend just leaving it as is. All right, just the solid white background works. So click on Submit, and that's going to bring you over to the editor where we can change your link or change the links out from my links to your links, okay, on this page right here. It's very, very easy to do, okay? Just follow along with me. So first we need to change out the step number 1 button link, and that needs to be your USI Tech link. Now to do that, all you're going to do is click on the Get Started Now tab, or on the button. Okay, click on that, make sure it gets highlighted. Then you're going to come up to this little link up here. Okay, so I clicked on the button, then I came up to this link. Not the link that's broken, not the link that has an X, but the link that's a solid link right here. Click on that, and then it's going to say link type URL. Leave all of this as is, but you need to change the URL to your affiliate link, okay? So go over to your notepad, get your step 1 affiliate link. Go ahead and right click and copy that. Come back in here and paste it right here. All right. Now the only other thing that you need to do is you want this button, you want this page to open up in another window. So in order to do that, you'll click on Target. And then you'll make sure that the new window blank is clicked, all right? Because you want it, whenever they click on that button, you want it to just open up in another tab or another window. So again, from this page, you just go to Target, and make sure that the target is a new window. Okay, once you've done that, you just click on OK, and now you got your first affiliate link entered. Okay, so when they click on your button, it's going to take them to your USI Tech enrollment page. All right, let's go ahead and do the same thing with step number 2 with Coinbase. So let's go over here and go ahead and get our Coinbase affiliate link. It's going to be this long URL. Okay, go ahead and click on the step number 2 button that says get started now. Make sure it's highlighted. Go up to the link. Okay, click on that, and then go ahead and enter your Coinbase referral link right there. All right, so now we still need to change the target. Make sure it says new window. All right, you don't want it to open up on the same page. You want it to open up in a new window. Okay, make sure you do that. Click OK. And then now we just have one more to go, and that is the PLS checkout page, right, in step number 3. So let's go ahead and get that link, which is down here in step number 3. This is going to be the link that's going to have your PLS checkout as a subdomain. Let's grab that link, click on the button, make sure it's highlighted for step number 3, come back up to the link, and we're going to enter it right here. Paste it in there. Okay, make sure the target is to new window, and now click OK. All right, so that's all you have to do for the setup page. Now all the links are going to be going to your affiliate offers on this page. Okay, don't change anything else. Don't change any of the share code down here, because the people that you bring in, you want them to get the share code too, right? So don't change any of this. All you're going to be doing is changing the links in the buttons. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So once you've done that, you'll click on Save Changes and move to next step. And this is where you can view your web page. Okay, so go ahead and click on View Your Web Page. Now what you need to do right now is you need to take this link, okay, this long link at the bottom. Again, this is going to be the page they see directly after they opt in. So go ahead and take this link. Let's go ahead and copy that. Go back to your text edit. I'm just going to enter it up here. Let's just go ahead and paste that right there. And this is going to be the setup page. Okay, so this is going to be the link that they go to right after they opt in, this page right here. So let's test that link and make sure all of your buttons are working. Let's go ahead and click on it. Let's go ahead and check the first button, see if it goes to your USI Tech enrollment page. Same thing with the step number 2. Go ahead and click on it, make sure it goes to your Coinbase, right? And then step number 3, click on that and make sure it goes to the PLS checkout page. All right, so that's it for this little step right here, this part. You have your setup page branded towards you. All right, let's hop back in to the main editor here inside the Power Lead system. Okay, so once they opt in on your capture page, they're going to be added to your email list. And I've created a 3-day follow-up email that I'm going to let you use, and it's very easy to change out the links. We're going to do that right now. All right, so from the getting started page, just come over here to email, voice, text, click on that, and come down to view and edit campaigns. Okay, click on that view and edit campaigns. Now the campaign that you're going to be looking for is going to be the Copy My Crypto 3-day follow-up messages by JLM Marketing. Okay, it's going to say Copy My Crypto 3-day follow-up 3 messages by JLM Marketing. So click on that. This is a 3-day follow-up email campaign that I'm giving you guys, and this is going to be sent out directly to your people, to your visitors or leads whenever they opt in. Now you need to edit these to have your setup page link in it. All right, because that's where I'm sending them back to, is a 3-step page where they can check out the Copy My Crypto system. Now in order to do that, all you need to do is come down here to the bottom where it says make an editable copy of these campaigns. Click on that, and that's going to bring this page right here. So I would just call this your first name and then Copy My Crypto. Okay, we'll just say 3-day follow-up. All right, so go ahead and do that and then click on create this campaign. And now we're going to be able to edit this campaign and put your unique affiliate links in it. So right here, we need to scroll down. It says, please choose a campaign to copy its emails. Okay, so we're going to come all the way back down to the Copy My Crypto 3-day follow-up, 3 messages by JLM Marketing. Okay, click on that. And then we're going to come down the bottom that says add this campaign to Josh Copy My Crypto 3-day follow, or you're just going to say add this campaign to your first name. All right, yes, we want to click on that. Now campaign's copied, and now we can edit each one of these emails and put your affiliate link in there, or the link to your setup page. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So for the first one, it's going to be sent automatically. Click on the view edit. Now the only thing that you need to do right here, there's only one thing, is you need to get your link, the setup page link, right, where you changed out the buttons. Take that link right there. Go ahead and right click and copy. And come back over here. Now what we need to do is make a clickable link here inside of this. So there's going to be one link in each email. There's one link here. It's going to say if you were busy and would like to access it again, then go here right now. Okay. So what we're going to do is go ahead and paste that link right there. Okay. And we're going to take this go here right now for access. We're going to copy that. We're going to put that right there. Okay. And let's go ahead and click on add. And that's going to give you, that's going to make that link clickable. So whenever they see go here right now, it's going to take them over to your setup page. All right. So again, let me show you that one more time. If you were busy and would like to access it again, then you put go here right now. And to make that clickable, you're just going to take this, you're going to copy that, put it in there, paste, and again, you have your setup page URL right here, and then you're going to click on add. Okay, now that link's going to be clickable, and again, this email is going to be going out on your behalf. Come up to the top, click on Save Changes, and you've done the first one. Let's go ahead and do the second one real quick. View and edit. Okay. It says, did you see inside of the first step of the Copy My Crypto system? Okay, so let's go ahead and change this one out. So I'm going to put Copy My Crypto system. Okay, so we want to make this Copy My Crypto system right here. We want to make this clickable and send over to your setup page. So we're going to take that. We're going to paste that right down here. We're going to get that setup page URL again. Go back here, paste it, and then we're going to click on add. Okay, so there you go. That's all you need to do is do that for this email. And I think I might have one more down here. Yeah, and there's going to be another one down here at the bottom. You do the same thing, same process. All right, so that's good for email number 2. Go ahead and click on Save Changes. Look, I know this is a lot. This is a big video, but remember, you only have to do this one time. And once you have this all knocked out, and we're almost done, you're going to have your Bitcoin business, your online business up and running, and ready to start bringing in leads and start making you commissions. All right. So let's go to the third and final one. Click on View Edit, and it's the same thing. Okay. Click here right now, or click here right now to see for yourself. So that's what we're going to change out. Go ahead and say click here right now to see for yourself. All right, we want to make that clickable, so we're going to take that and copy it, enter that there, and again we're going to get the setup URL right up here. Okay, copy that, go ahead and paste, and then you're going to click add. All right, and that's good to go. All right, so you have 3 emails. Make sure you click Save Changes. You have 3 emails. They're going to be set up and ready to go out on your behalf. All right, just a couple more steps. Let's go back to the Getting Started tab. Okay. Now you're going to come over to websites, and now we need to change out a little bit, just a few things on the landing page. All right. So let's come to websites and come down to My Web Pages. Okay. And now you want to make a copy of the landing page right here. Okay, it's the same process. You click on copy. Again, I would change the title of the web page to show here in this admin. I would just change it to your first name. So it'd be for me, Josh, copy my crypto landing page 1. Okay, my name's Seth, but my first name's Josh. But anyway, that's besides the point. Then down here where it says select a domain to use with this web page. All right, remember when I had you to go ahead and buy a domain? Okay, this needs to be the domain you bought. All right, this is going to be the first page that your traffic, your visitors are going to see. So whatever name you bought, not the subdomain, but the name that you bought back there, and I believe it's like the second step in this video, this is the one you need to choose. Again, do not choose the subdomain. You want the main domain name. All right, so you'll click there, and then you'll click this radio button that says choose a domain you already have. Click on that. Okay. Then keep scrolling down. It says if this web page is using a survey or opt-in form, now you want to choose that email campaign you just created. Okay, the one you just created. So it's going to have your first name and then copy my crypto 3-day follow-up. So let's find it. Let me find the one that said Josh, copy my crypto 3-day follow-up. Okay, go ahead and click on that. And that's going to add this campaign. So when they opt in, they're going to start getting these email follow-ups. Now you can also link your Aweber or GetResponse account. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video, but they have training that shows you exactly how to do that. All right. So if you want to gather leads into Aweber, then you click here. And then of course you would choose the campaign or the list name that you want to send it to right here. All right. But again, for this training, we're just going to leave it as is. All right, in step 4, it says if this web page is using a survey, when using the domain above, choose which page is shown after the survey is taken. All right, this is very, very critical. So what you want to do right now is you want to click on this bottom radio, click there, and then go back and get that setup page URL again. Okay, so go ahead and right click and copy. You're going to enter that where it says another website. Okay, and what this is doing is going to take them from after they opt in on your landing page, which is going to be your domain name. They're going to be sent over to your setup page. Okay, again, so step 4, make sure you can choose the bottom radio, click on that where it says another website, and that's where you're going to enter your setup page. Okay, not mine. Your setup page is going to be right here. Okay, after you've done all of that, go ahead and click on Save Changes to Web Page. And again, you can change whatever you want to on the background on the landing page or on the capture page. It's completely up to you. All right, but I'd recommend just leaving it as is. So let's go ahead to Edit Text Review. Again, this is where you can make the changes if you wanted to, but I would just leave it as is. Then go ahead and click on Save Changes and move to next step. And now you can view your web page. Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay. So this is the front end of the funnel. All right, this is it. It's going to be your domain. It's going to bring them to this capture page. It's going to say discover how to make 4,679 plus with Bitcoin in 27 days. Of course, they want to learn how to do that. So they're going to enter their email address right here. They're going to click on Get Instant Access. Now they got to fill out this little Autobot system that they have to protect. Let's go ahead and do that. 7CWV. This is just a level of security that PowerLead system puts into play. I think it's great. Go ahead and click on Submit. And now it's going to take them over to your setup page. This is it. Make sure all your buttons are working. So now you have a funnel. And all you have to do is give them your main URL. All right. If somebody's interested in it, give them the main URL. And they're going to opt in. They're going to be added to your PowerLead system list. Right. They're going to start getting the email follow-ups. And they're going to be instantly redirected over to this page. And this page is going to have your referral links and affiliate links in it. Okay, so that's really it. That's all there is to it. I'm hoping you see the value in this Copy My Crypto system. We went through a lot in this video, but if it's necessary, you only got to do it one time. All right, so if you've already completed all 3 steps above, and then you completed this big step right here about getting your funnel copied and everything, all the affiliate links changed out, then you're ready to start promoting this. Now, what we're going to do is once we see that you've gone ahead and joined up with USI Tech, Coinbase, PowerLead system, and got your funnel ready to go and start taking traffic, we're going to send you over a video that's going to show you how to get all the traffic you want, both free and paid, very highly targeted traffic, so you can start building your business very fast. Okay, So go ahead and watch this video again. Make sure you go through all of the steps again and get your system set up. And also be looking out for an email from us, and we're going to show you how to get all the traffic you want, and we're going to keep up with you. All right, we're going to follow up with you and see how your business is coming along. But again, you need to make sure this page is bookmarked, because everything you're going to need is going to be on this page. You can always go back and watch these videos again and take your time getting this thing set up. Once it's set up, you have your business off the ground and you're ready to start earning. All right. So for Ben Martin, I'm Seth Johnson. Thanks again for taking the time to go through this system. We really do appreciate you, and we look forward to hearing about your success in the future.